Welcome to our channel, where today you'll learn exactly how to log into your Airtable account with ease and confidence. Welcome to our channel, where today you'll learn exactly how to log into your Airtable account with ease and confidence. If you're new to Airtable, logging in might seem a bit intimidating, but I'm here to take you through every step clearly and simply. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Airtable website by typing airtable.com in the address bar. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button on the top right corner of the page and click it. Now, you'll see the login interface where you can enter your credentials. If you have signed up before, simply enter your registered email address or username in the first field. Then, type your password in the password field directly below. Be sure to double-check that your caps lock is off and there are no typos to avoid login errors. After entering your details, click on the Login button beneath the fields. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Airtable dashboard where you can access your bases and collaborate with others. In case you forgot your password, look for the Forgot Password link just below the password box. Clicking this will guide you through resetting your password via your registered email. Additionally, if you are new and do not have an account yet, you can find the Sign Up option at the Login page, which will lead you to create your profile for free. Remember to keep your login information secure and never share your password with others. And that's it, simple and straightforward. Now you know exactly how to log into Airtable, whether for personal projects, team collaboration, or managing tasks efficiently. Don't hesitate to explore all the wonderful features Airtable offers after logging in. Thank you for following along and enjoy your new digital workspace. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found this guide helpful.